Hello everybody, I'm here with another layout titled "'Tis the Season in Tree Decorating." And this is maybe 2017 Christmas. Yeah, I think so. This was not 2018 last year, but that's going to be Basil cardstock. I have many paper layers, which are basically just scraps. And this is my 8th layout using December 2018 kit. What I do is before Freckle Fawn quit making their monthly embellishment kits, I was a subscriber, and when they count this Freckle Fawn from 2017 with paper. So I went ahead and took any embellishments left from the November leftover from those I brought into the Freckle Fawn kit, and then that will come a lovely tree. So now I'm just trying to figure. And then I was happy, like, about to hyperventilate. I was like, and I kind of figured I knew what it was. She had did my formal evaluation, which is 8 hour long. Oh my god. It's supposed to be 45 minutes, but she was in there for the hour. So it was to talk to her about that, which it was really good. And she even said, "So, do you have any comments, any questions?" I said, because they are real sticklers sometimes. And I really thought, because this year I decided to try something different. I did my math all small groups. I did no whole group math. So I decided to keep my kids for 30 minutes. So think 30 minutes of that hour. And so I decided to keep all small group, and I had told her that. And so we have been teaching the standard 10 more, 10 less for 2 days prior to my evaluation. And they were having a hard, and we were doing it, and they were doing really well. And I was like, oh no. It's one thing to play, it's one thing to play a game, and you give me so good. They are like, I was like, oh my gosh, you guys did awesome. I'm like, now what? I said, so let's go ahead and let's practice this. And then they got that. And she's like, she's like, wow. She goes, it was impressive. And I was like, phew. If I was, that lesson would have probably be a success. And so I have more papers that scraps of papers I just want to be able to layer behind here and get those used up. Ours your ATG runs out right at the Right here. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Oh, what his deal is. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Come on, buddy. I think he's still mad at me for spanking him. So I do use some chipboard stickers, which are American Hip Kit Club's Holiday Happenings. And that 'Tis the Season, that is Hip Kit Club's Holiday Happenings as well. So several things within this kit are from the Holiday Happenings line. And then that one, those clips are Snow and Cocoa. Gosh, I forget who they're from. And I kind of put off scrapbooking and doing videos because I need to catch up on my voiceovers and editing videos and get that caught up before I do any more videos. So I put my scrapbooking on hold. So it takes me a little bit to figure out how I want everything to, placement of everything as always. And I really wanted to use that car. But it needed something behind it. What's that message? Oh, my Fitbit's telling me, time for bed. I know. Soon. So I have this is going to be 'Tis the Season in Tree Decorating. So once I do the 'Tis the Season, the other part of the title, which is in tree decorating, is they're different fonts or colors of letters, but they're all within the Hip Kit Club's exclusive products. And then I do use the year 2015. Oh, wait a minute. Oh no, I did that wrong. That should be 2015 because he didn't come live with us until 2016. I need to change that. Oh, silly me. Anyway, is Hip Kit Club's Alphas. And I didn't put that, but my red layer that's behind my photos is Hip Kit Club's Holiday Happenings called Berry Burst. So here is Tis the Season. And I want to use the gold because it goes well for the Christmassy type layouts. And if I remember right, it takes me a little while to figure out how to place the title because nothing seemed to look right. So I'm using these letters for decorating. I like using wax paper so it allows more functionality. Oh, so there we go. N is the same font as the decorating, and the tree is that pink Hip Kit Club exclusive alphas. So now it's just a matter of trying to figure out how to place my title. I really struggled with this one. Because that Okay, so once I get my title down and I figure out where to put that long word decorating, that will pretty much complete my layout. So I'll let you finish watching, and when I have more done, I will certainly be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.